Did you know that something monumental is happening in Jammu and Kashmir for the first time in a decade? The Election Commission has just announced the dates for assembly elections in Jammu and Kashmir and Haryana. But what's really catching everyone's attention? For Jammu and Kashmir, it's the first assembly election since Article 370 was abrogated in 2019. This three-phase election will see heavy security deployment to ensure free and fair voting. In contrast, Haryana will have a single-phase election. Both states will count their votes on October 4th, a date that could reshape their political landscapes. Why is this election so crucial? For Jammu and Kashmir, it's about returning to democratic governance after a long gap, with heightened security to protect voter rights. In Haryana, the stakes are equally high, with 2 crore 1 lakh voters set to decide the fate of 90 assembly constituencies. So what's the big change happening in Jammu and Kashmir after 10 years? It's the power of the ballot, not the bullet, shaping their future. Stay tuned, your vote matters.